Hello, welcome to this demonstration on the Singer Futura XL 550 machine. In this video, we will just quickly walk through some of the dials and buttons and the panels that are available at the top of the machine and in the front of the machine. So let's get started. So let's go to the top of the machine. So there is a handle here, and it's kind of easy to carry handle. It's kind of sturdy, and you can carry the machine around by just holding it using this handle, and you can slide it back. This is the thread spooling device. So you have this one plastic spindle here, and then there is another hole here. Okay, so where they have given an extra, the kit comes with an extra spindle where you can actually put one more thread here too, but I have tried only with this horizontal method. And they provide two such thread holders, basically a big one and a smaller one. And this is the system for threading the bobbin. It's pretty automatic, but you just have to put your thread across this device here, and then you carry it with the thread, and then you take it to this bobbin. I have already placed the bobbin here, and if you just press this lever, it will start. You see that? So it's fully automated. Okay, so it will automatically stop once the bobbin is filled. We can stop it manually by holding it this way. So that's about the threading the bobbin. And at the top you also have this lever here, right? This is for the threading. The thread actually goes through this portion here, and then you can pull it down and go downwards, right? And then this device here, this is for the automatic threading, and this is the needle screw, the needle here, and then you have the footers. Okay, and this is the bobbin holder. And let's move towards the right, and over here this is your panel. Okay, so most of these buttons are for embroideries and stitches, and there are some standard stitches that are already pulled out into this panel. That is, for example, if you want a zigzag stitch, you can just press this button and the machine would automatically adjust for a zigzag. And like that, there are some three machine embroidery stitches already put here. Now I just switched on the machine, and you can see that the panel already comes with the default setting of, it comes with the default setting here. So this is the stitch 00. You can scroll through the stitches. So this is the stitch 01, you have 02, and you can keep moving across the various types of switches. So let's go back to, and if you just press it once, it can skip in steps of 10. So stitch 10, press another one, press another one, stitch 20, press again. So you're skipping 10 stitches, and you can roll back like that. So let me come back, let me switch it off and on again. That's off and this is on. Okay, so this is stitch 00, and so this we'll talk about this later. For a straight stitch, what does this number mean? We can talk about this. Is for adjusting the needle position. Okay, so this upper reading is for two things. Now, for an embroidery or a zigzag stitch, this represents the width of the zig, right? And for a straight stitch, it actually represents the needle position. Okay, now why would you want to change the needle position? That we will discuss in another video with some samples on how it was actually really helpful for me. Now, for now, we just have to note that for a straight stitch, you can change the needle position using this upper dial. Now, upper reading. Now, how do you do that? You need to see that there's this LED that glows here. Now, so we are in the upper panel. So let's say we will turn this to the right. Okay, now let's say it's 4 and the needle position would have shifted. Okay, now let's see, now can you see the needle position here now, right? So now we know that we need to turn that dial clockwise on the right to increase, right? So we shall keep the camera focused on the needle, and I will be turning it one step to the right. And do you see the needle shifting? Now I'll turn it again. It shifted some more. The third time it shifted some more. So now we come back here, and you saw that the reading has moved from 4 to 5.5, right? Now similarly you can move it to the other direction by turning it left. So you go left, another one, another one, another one, right? And then you come here, because here, see the reading, right? So let's move on to the other aspects. So these are all during embroidery, and this is for the twin needle. This is cutting the thread during embroidery, the various options, and this is to adjust the tension of your fabric, and this is to print letters A, B, C, D. Okay, and how do you change the length of the machine? So you just have to press this once, the LED it glows here, and then you can change by again moving to the right for the increase and move to the left for a decrease. Okay, it also comes with 2 storage compartments. For example, I can quickly show you this. I can open it here, and then I can use it to store my bobbins and needles, etc. Similarly, you would find my hand doesn't reach there, but you would find one more storage space here. Okay, so for example, this is another storage space, and also for embroidering, and if you want to stitch like small necklines or curved narrow pant hems, etc., you can actually remove this, and then so you'll get a narrower base to sew your hems, etc. Okay? And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.